Hi, my name is Trevor and I am an IT professional. Welcome to my video series of computer help and programming. This video was created to help any person with the skill set of being completely new to computers or for the computer gurus. Today I'll be walking you through how to update your web browsers on your computer. Let's get started.
Okay, I'm here at my desktop, and you can see on my desktop I have Firefox and Google Chrome. You'll notice down here on the menu shortcuts that I have Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Google Chrome. If you don't see your internet browser on your desktop or in your menu shortcuts, you can always click on the Start button and start typing in the name of the program that you're looking for, or you can just click on the Start button, find your program there, or you can click on Start, go to All Programs, and then find your program there. I'm going to go ahead and launch Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer, when you first start out, you'll notice that you have a location bar up here, and you have your browser shortcuts up here. What I like to do is I like to enable my menu bar so I can go and access things a lot easier than doing it through this tools. You can right click on here and left click on menu bar, or what you can do is you can click on this little gear icon in the right hand corner, click on that and click on About Internet Explorer. Here you can see I have Internet Explorer 11. Internet Explorer 11 is the latest version of Internet Explorer that is out there right now. You'll notice that I have this checkbox checked which says Install New Versions Automatically. This will ensure that I have the latest version of Internet Explorer. If I don't have Internet Explorer 11 or the latest version and you want to get it, you can go through there and try to update your browser that way. Or if you want, you can go to your favorite search engine and type in download Internet Explorer 11, and you'll notice this first link that comes up is a Microsoft link. If you click on it, you'll notice that it takes me to a page where I can download Internet Explorer 11 offline and install it from there. Once I run through these instructions and install it, then my browser of Internet Explorer will be up to date. Okay, back at my desktop, now I'm going to go ahead and run through Firefox. I click on this icon down here, or on my desktop. You notice Firefox comes up. I have the menu bar up here. Again, this is another thing that you may have to do with your browser. You may have to right click and left click on menu bar. Sometimes you'll notice that if you open up Firefox that you don't have the menu bar up there. I just barely unchecked it, so I'm going to go ahead and check it again. Now what I do is I go up to Help, and I go to About Firefox, and you can do the same with Internet Explorer as well. Go to the Help menu and go to About Internet Explorer. You can notice here that it tells me Firefox, it gives me my version, and right now it's telling me it's up to date. If it wasn't up to date, I would have a button that would say, let me do a check now to see if I have the latest version. And if I don't, then I can go ahead and download it and install it. If by chance I don't have that option, again you can open up your web browser and type in download Firefox, and you'll notice the first website that I get says download Firefox. I can click there, and there I can follow the instructions of downloading it and installing it on my computer to ensure that I have the latest version of Firefox. Okay, now finally I'm going to do Google Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on the icon on my desktop. And here, again, you'll notice it follows a similar pattern as Internet Explorer and Firefox. You'll notice that I have my location bar up here, my tabs up here, and over here I have this little hamburger looking like icon. If I click on it and I go to About Google Chrome, I can see what version of Google Chrome I am running. And now you can see that it wants to run a Google update to check to see if I have the latest version. So I'll go ahead and click yes. And right now you'll notice that it says it's updating Google Chrome. So it looks like I don't have the latest version of Google Chrome. So as it's running this check, it will check to see what I need and download it to my machine and help me to install it. Okay. Now I have a notification that says it's nearly up to date. Relaunch Google Chrome to finish updating. So I'll go ahead and click on this relaunch button. You'll notice it closes the browser and it opens it back up again. And now it's asking me about a web scraper requires new permissions. Okay, I'll go ahead and re-enable that. I think that's one of my tools that I have installed. And now you'll notice that, again, we are in the About Google Chrome, and you can see it here in my location. And it says I have Google Chrome up to date. And that is how you update your Google Chrome web browser. Again, if you don't have Google Chrome and you want to download it, go ahead and go to your favorite search engine and type in download Chrome. And Google makes it very easy to download and install their web browser.
Okay, time for the Mac. You can see here on the Mac that I have my browsers down here. I have 3 of them. I have Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. If I click on Safari, you'll notice that the way to update Safari is a little different than what we're used to. We can't just go to About Safari because that doesn't provide us any useful information. To actually update Safari, what we have to do is we actually have to go into the App Store over here. If you can't find it, you can always go up to the search icon and type in App Store, and it should find it for you, and then just go ahead and hit enter. When you're in the App Store, you'll notice that you will be given the option to update Safari. You can see here in the last 30 days I've updated Safari to version 8.0.6, and that was installed on the 7th of May. And this is how you install the latest updates for Safari. That's how you do it for Safari. Now, if you want to do this with other browsers such as Firefox and Google Chrome, we're going to follow a similar pattern that we did on the PC, but a little different. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Firefox icon. I'm going to go up to Firefox, About Firefox, and in there you're going to notice that it says my Firefox is up to date, 38.0.1. Okay, that's great. That's how you update it. If there were any updates, I'd have a button here that would tell me to update Firefox. Okay, let's go ahead and close out of it. The way I close out of it, by the way, is just Command Q. It's the shortcut to close out of something. And I'll go ahead and show you that. So up here in Chrome, you can see the shortcut on my Mac is the Command Q key to get out of an application really quick. Here in Google Chrome, what we're going to do is we're also going to go to About Google Chrome. And you're going to see that I have version 43.0.2357.65, and it says that it's up to date. And here I can go ahead and set up the automatic updates for all users if I wanted to, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. But it looks like I've got the latest version of Chrome. So that is how you update your web browsers on the Mac. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it proved to be helpful and instructive. If you have any questions or comments, please post those below. Please subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and family. If you're also interested, please check out our website at www.twosomesolutions.com. Feel free to check out my other videos. Thank you.